Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to use TikTok AI avatar generator. So to do that, I'm heading over to my TikTok, of course. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. And in here, you will find this edit option of your profile. Tap on edit. And here you will find the new update of TikTok or AI self. So go to create AI self. Now here this pop-up will arrive like take a selfie to create your AI self. So you have to tap on create AI self. And now you have to make sure your face fits inside the frame and take a screenshot or a selfie of yours. And then they will make your avatar automatically according to your skin or according to your face. So yeah, this is how easily you can just use AI avatar generator. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.